This is by no means a sponsored video. I didn't even get this product for free. I purchased it out of frustration because everything else on the store shelves failed me. And I decided to see what the online market had to offer because I was running out of options. So here's my issue. Most deodorants, they do a fine job with moisture control, but did not block out the odor entirely. And what frustrated me is that I was getting musty when I'm not even doing any physical activity other than sitting in front of a computer. And that gets annoying because I shower daily. I, spray myself with my cologne. I consume mints to keep my breath fresh. I dress like a modest gentleman. And yet I was killing flies when I stretch my arms out. And choosing deodorants is like a game of Russian roulette, right? There are just so many variations to choose from. And you can only go by what the label says. And I don't know about you, but I find it odd to go back to the drugstore to return a deodorant you used. So I just collected them over time. No cap, guys. It got to a point where I ordered these natural ingredients from Amazon and I made my very own deodorant stick, which was a huge fail. It caused buildup in my shirts, gave me rashes, and it even left like this harsh, dry discoloration that lasted over a week. But then I came across this cucumber growth guru and saw that he recently came out with his own deodorant from the Pete and Pedro line. And I've tried and reviewed Pete and Pedro products before in the past, so I said, why not? They haven't failed me yet. Now, the thing is, whenever you shop at this store, you don't just end up buying one thing because to get the free shipping, you have to spend like $50 or something like that. So I just added a whole bunch of hair products to try out as well. So this is the deodorant. It's a natural deodorant that does not have, the scary, controversial aluminum ingredient. But honestly, I didn't care about that. I just wanted something that does a decent job, masking the old odor. Now, the first week, I noticed that I was perspiring more than usual. So right then and there, I thought it was another weak deodorant. But when I did my little sniff test, yeah, there was more wetness, but there was no more of that musty smell. And after doing a bit of research and actually like reading into this, because I don't find this stuff interesting at all, I now know that you will perspire more with natural deodorant than with aluminum because aluminum prevents, the sweat from happening, which blocks the body's natural response, which could also, lead to cancer. So yeah, there was a little bit more wetness. I was perspiring more, but I was more happy that whatever ingredients were in this thing were also preventing my pits from smelling so bad. So it was kind of like a trade-off at first. I gave up dryness for odor. Anyways, fast forward to 6 months, my pits are much drier, far less smelly. And I made this video because I felt it was a solid product worth sharing. So maybe it will help someone out there in their, smelly pit journey. And this video has gone on for far too long, I think, especially for an unplanned video. And I don't want to bore you by listing all these natural ingredients and read it out to you. You guys can read. I'll link it down for you to check out. But I guess in terms of smell, it's very light. I guess it is fresh. Yeah, they gave it a good name. Fresh. Yeah, fresh. I guess you could smell a little bit of that eucalyptus oil. I don't know what the hell they put in this thing to make your pits dry and also not smell so bad throughout the day. But it works. Give it time. There is what's it called, the transitional phase that you go through if you were to switch from aluminum to natural. Give it about a week or so, and you will see and you will notice the change. And yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to Aaron, man. Aaron, you killed it with this product, man. I can't believe I went on this long without using, a natural deodorant, especially from your brand of all brands, really, because there are so many brands, Native and all that promise you, much less smelly pits and all that, and it didn't work for me. This, whatever you're putting in this thing, keep on putting it. I'm gonna order more batches of this, and yeah, guys, I'll make sure to link it down below. I do not have a discount code for you. Like I said, this is unplanned. I'll see if I can find one. There's so many. They have a whole bunch of discount codes that will get you like 15% off. So yeah, that wraps up this quick little review on the Pete and Pedro Fresh Deodorant. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.